Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be solving the question on the screen, which says, if 3y equals 2x minus 1, what is the value of 3 raised to the power of 2x divided by 27 raised to the power of y? So you have the question 3y equals 2x minus 1. The first thing you have to do whenever you're asked like a question like this is for you to try to find the similarities that you can work with. In the first equation here, we have a y value, you have an x value, and then finding the value, we also have this and we also have this, x variable and y variable. An important thing anytime you have a question like this for you to know that there has to be some form of substitution that would have to go on in order for us to successfully solve this question. And when we look at the equation as well as what we're supposed to solve for, we'll see that the first equation has similarity of 2x. The second equation also has a similarity of 2x. So we can use that as the beginning of our solution. So to solve this, we have 3y equals 2 in open bracket x minus 1 is the same thing as 3y equals 2x minus 2, and we'll have 3y plus 2. Basically, I'm solving in terms of 2x now, equals 2x. So I'm isolating 2x or solving in terms of 2x. So we have this information. And then we also have this part of the question where it says 3 raised to the power of 2x, right, divided by 27y. Now, since you're studying for the SATs, and this is basically your junior, your senior year of college, or maybe for some people who are international students already graduated college before taking the SATs, you already know that this looks like, basically, this is an exponent type question, and you know that working with exponents, you know that the numerator of the fraction 3 raised to the power 2x and the denominator is 27. There is a similarity between the numerator and the denominator. So therefore, we have 3 raised to the power of 2x up top. At the bottom, we're going to have 3, okay, raised to the power of 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So we have that. We can have that here and put a y. And then we have 3 raised to the power of 2x divided by 3 raised to the power of 3y. So what you end up with here would be 3. Now we remember we have this 2x over here. We can just simply substitute. And you have 3y plus 2, right? And then you have 3 raised to the power of 3y. So next, what you do is, we're going to continue right here. Next, what you do is 3, okay? So you have the numerator and the denominator, and you can basically work with them. And you have 3y, right, plus 2. The presence of the division here, the presence of this division, now that we want to group the exponents, when we have like similar base of the question. So we have the base of 3, we have the base of 3, and then we have the power of 3y plus 2 numerator, and then denominator just 3y. When we want to group the powers, we're just going to keep one base and then work with all the multiple powers. The presence of the division here is going to cause us to have a negative here. So we now have 3y plus 2 minus, because of the presence of the division, minus 3y. So hence our answer will be 3. 3y minus 3y is 2. And then we just have plus 2 here. So that will be 3 raised to the power of 2. So our answer is 9. Literally, that's the answer. Nothing super wow, except that this is the answer. So the value of 3 raised to the power of 2x divided by 27 raised to the power of y is 9. So just a recap of what we did is to observe the question. You have a variable x, a variable y, And when we look at the similarity between the question and what we're supposed to find the value of, we could see that there are similarities. Hence, there's going to be a situation we have to do substitution and solving and breaking down the information step by step, and our knowledge of exponents and bases. We did all of that and we're able to solve the question to be 9. So whenever you see a question that may be quite complicated, don't get scared or tired and afraid that, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. This is basically what you do. You can think through problems and solve them with time, and just basically trust the process and basically work hard and try different things. Yes, so this is another daily practice. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Make sure you check the playlist, the SAT playlist, so that you can do more problems. I'm going to be posting these questions daily for SATs for a period of time, up until time students are taking like the SAT. So there'll be videos consistent throughout the end of the year, and by God's grace, next year as well. Yes, I wish you guys all the very best. And I also post like all STEM related content on my YouTube channel. Make sure you watch for that. To make everything easy for you, everything on my channel is playlist produced. So you guys should go check it out. I wish you guys all the very best, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.